Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jenny Fine. I have really missed you all, and I am so sorry for not uploading just because my last video I've been busy. I just moved and stuff, so hopefully we're gonna be back to our normal schedule. But as you can see, the year is almost running out and we are literally in December, literally a week's way to finish this year. But anything can still happen to anyone, you get what I mean? We just pray for God's grace and everything. I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. And yeah, really. So hopefully you see this video before Christmas. If not, Merry Christmas everyone, or happy holidays and a happy new year. So guys, for today's video, just to kind of bring my mojo back in YouTube editing video wise, and this is my new setup, so you're gonna be seeing more of this boring background in my videos, but with time it's gonna be different. Okay, skincare. So first things first, I'm gonna steam my face to open my pores and to prepare my skin for anything that's going to go on my face. I would have done a lot in this video, but I just want to do 3 steps: steam, mask, and hydrate, moisturizer, and all of that, and take a nap a little bit. And maybe next time when I'm doing any of my skincare video, I'm probably gonna do more. So I'm gonna go get my hot water to steam for you guys, and then we're gonna shave up this little mustachy beard thing that we got going on. So right here I have my hot water, and I'm gonna be careful so it doesn't spill. So this is like old traditional fashion way of steaming your face. If you're that fancy, you can buy a facial steamer, and it could be expensive, could be affordable. Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of put my head not too close to the hot water, but in the area where I just want the steam to eat up my skin, and cover my head with a cloth or a wrapper, so I have maximum saturation on my face. And be careful, because right now anything can go wrong and this hot water can spill on my legs, and I don't want that. Okay, all because of YouTube. My god damn. Okay. As you can see, this is a bit of a steam, moist on my skin. I normally do these once a week or once in 2 weeks, depending on how free or busy I am. So now that I've got a bit of my pores open, my skin doing some 1-2 thing, I'm just gonna shave my mustache with this like a hand eyebrow stuff. Yep, it's very handy. So I'm gonna dip this into the hot water, and also where I do this, I do it in a safe manner. Right now it's not safe, so that's why it's not too long, and normally I have a lot of steam coming out of my face, that proper hot. I'm just gonna hover to shave this. All this is just to prepare my skin for when I'm gonna start doing makeup. Okay, so for a face mask I'm gonna be wearing is this L'Oreal Pure Clay Blemish Rescue Mask. This is a clay / unclogs pore, and yeah, so this is how I can show you guys. So this is the packaging. Right, Oh, okay. Reason for my breakout. So before my birthday, I decided to treat myself, having a spa, doing my eyebrows, doing my mustache like I just did. So I have like facial hair problem. Like, I would say it's a problem because some people need hair, but like at at some point I was growing a lot of hair on my face, and it's not nice or pleasant when I wear makeup. So yeah, since it's gonna be like a big day for me, so I might as well remove all the hair so I can have a smooth, flawless skin. So I did that with hair remover, facial hair remover, and some Western Eden. So I took tweezer to pluck some of my facial hair. So the next day I was all big face, glammed up, nice makeup, nice. So I'm probably gonna insert picture of my birthday makeup so you see everything was good. A week after I wasn't wearing makeup, I was stressed out. A lot of things was going on with me. Like, a lot of things just happened. I think I told you guys that a lot of things just happened, man. Like, crazy. So anyway, so with that, I was breaking out. Okay, I was breaking out, and while I was breaking out, hair was growing. So literally less than a week or two, less than a week, I removed my facial hair. I was breaking out, like the hair was growing quickly, rapidly. So the cause of my breakout here, obviously I got to do some research to find out, like, why do you remove facial hair? Why do people tend to break out that a lot? So the cause of my breakout was because I used tweezer and a razor to remove my facial hair. So in that way, it cut off the hair that is above my skin, and the less hair that's underneath my skin are buried inside. So literally you have a clear skin, but you got some hidden hairs that was growing out. I don't know if that logic makes sense. By the time your skin was covered up to heal, and those hair are growing out from underneath your skin, so there's no place to grow through, so they tend to poke the skin, which the skin tends to fight back, thinking there's a bacteria happening or something to that particular place on the skin. As your body is fighting your skin to heal the inflammation that the hair that is growing out is causing, then it produces a acne, and at some point the hair grows out. Sometimes two comes up in one particular hole, or sometimes they curve, the bend underneath the skin and grows underneath the skin. So literally it gives me a lot of acne and bumps. So right now I've covered them with this mask so you cannot see it. So I really broke out everywhere. So I never used to break out on my forehead. I think that I was just stressed actually wise, and most area I do break out is my chin and hardly, yeah, anyway. But because I removed my facial hair, my skin wasn't flawless as I want it to be. But anyway, you know me, I don't care, you know. I love everything about my face, so I still go out like that. Like, if and after my birthday, after September, I did not wear no makeup for the past, like, October, November, December. I haven't worn makeup. I don't even know what makeup is. Like, I'm even scared to be around makeup, guys. And I do have some PRO to review. I haven't done anything. That's how bad it is. Like, I think if I start doing reviews and stuff, I hopefully could find my mojo back. But I feel like I don't even know how to do makeup anymore. That's just me. I know it's there, but just something you've not been doing all the time, and it's not that you're gonna forget just because you're just gonna feel you're useless at it. That's the way I see it. So anyway, I've not been so current with makeup wise or YouTuber anything that's going on YouTube or beauty related. I've mostly been on Instagram, and what I was doing on Instagram is probably getting update of things that goes on around the world. You have things like COVID-19, the vaccine, and stuff like that. Sometimes I tend to watch something that makes me laugh, that is funny, on Instagram, and watch some TV series. Those are what have been keeping me busy. So yeah, I'm excited to come back to entertain you guys, okay? And I hope it's gonna be better, and I hope good things in the new year. So I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this mask on my face, but right now it's making me sleepy. Okay, probably we're just gonna leave for like 5 minutes. I think it should dry, so when it's drying it should be like this, like drying wise. So I'm just gonna leave it for like 5 minutes, and we'll come back here to like do a bit of skin massage and some serum on the skin, and we'll go from there. I'm back, guys. So after some few minutes, like it dried, so I just went to wash my face with a warm water, not so cold, not so hot, and this is my face flannel, just to like make it more easier to dry up and stuff. So yep, I believe if I don't mix my skincare routine in 2 weeks, I'm gonna get my skin back. You see how the acne on my face, even up to here, it was just hair. My facial hair was becoming full, like even my side beard was growing, like see if I'm a man or something like that. Or maybe it's because due to too much hormone, too much hair growth hormone, or whatever it is. Like, I'm not a doctor, but I do research. So this one is stress, you can see it's going, but these are from my facial hair. So I'm gonna be using, this is from drugstore, so this is super drug. So this is natural radiant infused with plant extract. So this is that glycolic tonic, 5% glycolic acid. So I do have glycolic cleanser balm. So this is the tonic water. So what this does is it awakes skin, natural glow, smooths tone, and brighten skin. So you're going to take your cotton pad and use it to clean your skin. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing, guys. As much as you think that I washed my face, yeah, and you don't see nothing, wait till you see this cotton pad. What is that? That is blue. That is from the mask. Oh my god, it is good to turn. My god. So I'm gonna do that to my ear areas and to my neck, because the neck is also part of your body and your skin as well. That is what people see. So do my neck as well. See, I do have hair. So the last thing we're gonna do is to apply our serum and massage that serum into the face. Traditionally, I would apply my serum with my hands and all of that and let it air dry, but right now my skincare has changed, so this is what I'm gonna use today. This is natural radiant organic from Superdrug. This is a glow skin perfect booster, so with BOUT complex with skin natural microbiome balancing complex, calms, helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. So literally this video is about blemish and acne prone, I guess. So this is how I am controlling it not to bust out and to reduce it. So this comes with a pipette applicator, as you can see. So just one pump or one squeeze, where you have your liquid serum there, and just drip it down your face. There's no really direction of how and where to apply it. So next I'm gonna use this my skincare roller to roll this liquid serum into the skin, so it is submerged under my skin and does its work. So this, I don't know, this can cost you between 10 to 20 pounds depending on your area. So this, you can store this in a cool and dry place, or you can store this in your fridge, so by the time you use it, your skin is... Anyway, so small areas are for underneath the eyes and some crevices that you need to get to, and the big area is for the large part of your face, so which I'm going to start from the big area first. So if I were to apply my eye cream, I would use a small area to massage that on the face. So there's no really motion to go through, you just want to go up, down, sideways. Really, the whole point is to make sure it's, you know, submerged in your skin. Underneath the nose, I can go with a small area, but let me just do with the big area first to saturate the serum across the face first. Okay, as you can see, my face is shiny all over. It's because the serum is going all through the face. And this is also a massager, so it's not just using it to apply your serum or your facial moisturizer. It's also a massager for your skin or your face. The thing is, it helps with blood circulation and helps with reducing tensions in your face, because some of the times we tend to neglect our face. We do other stuff, body massage, aromatherapy and stuff like that. We forget that the face also needs to reduce its pressure and tension it does have, because most of the day our face tend to get exposed to a lot of high humidity and, you know, bad weather out there, and the only thing we do is to mask and go to bed. So the face needs to like have its own time for massaging. So as you can see, I'm using the smaller size for around my nose, so I'm not just working the serum in my skin, I'm also giving my nose area a massage. Okay, you can add more serum as you want, or eye cream, or whatever pleases you, but right now this is what I want to do. I don't want this skincare regime to be too long, so massage the eye area to reduce puffiness. Oh yeah, very soon you'll be seeing me with some wigs or some scarf. Okay, let me do this side more. Ooh. When you're done with your massage and you're applying your serum, you're good to go. You can either spray your face with a facial spray to just lock in everything. It's optional, but not really too much things. You can apply your hyaluronic acid if you want to, eye cream if you want to, but right now this is what I'm doing. So that's it, guys. So that's it for my, I don't know what to call this video, but whatever it is will be down there. So my skincare, okay, I'll copy with my Blemish face and products I use for it at the moment, and I'm loving it. I'm loving everything I'm doing. So I hope to see you in my next video, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. You can see my energy is not really that high, but we were flowing together, if you get me. Christmas is nearly here. I'm still gonna cook. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog for Christmas, because I always vlog Christmas and at the end of the day the clip end up getting, I don't know, not working, not wanting to show. So regardless, we'll see how it goes. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video and subscribe. And if you are my new subscribers, thank you very much for coming to my channel, for discovering me. Please and share this video. Don't forget to click on that notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any video. And nothing there, guys. I'll catch you in my next video. So peace.